Ever wondered what fatty acids are and why they are so vital? Let's delve into the world of these intriguing organic molecules. Fatty acids are composed of a chain of carbon atoms linked together by hydrogen atoms. These molecules are the unsung heroes, present in every living organism and essential for life as we know it. They serve as the building blocks of fats, which fall under a broader category of molecules known as lipids. Lipids, like fats, are a diverse group of molecules, but they all share one common trait. They are insoluble in water. These lipids are present in every cell of our bodies and perform a plethora of important roles. From energy storage to cell structure, they're indispensable. In essence, fatty acids are the foundation of fats and play diverse roles in our body. They are the unseen but vital part of our lives, keeping us healthy and functioning every day. But how do these fatty acids come into existence, you might wonder? Well, let's dive in. Imagine a lush green plant basking in sunlight. It's doing something remarkable. It's producing fatty acids through a process known as photosynthesis. Yes, the same process that gives us oxygen also gifts us with fatty acids. Now, let's shift our focus to the animal kingdom. Animals, including us humans, produce fatty acids in a slightly different way. By consuming plants or other animals that contain fatty acids, they're able to derive these essential molecules. Quite the food chain, isn't it? And speaking of us humans, our bodies also have a fascinating capability. We can produce some fatty acids from other molecules, such as carbohydrates. So, every time you're enjoying a bowl of pasta, remember, your body is working its magic and converting those carbs into fatty acids. So whether through nature's photosynthesis or our own body's conversion, fatty acids are being produced constantly. Now, let's draw a comparison between raw materials and fatty acids. You see, raw materials are the starting point, the building blocks, if you will. They are the original substances used to produce a product. In this case, the product is fatty acids. Take plants, for instance. They are a rich source of both saturated and unsaturated fatty acids. Animals, too, provide us with these same types of fatty acids. So, whether you're a meat lover or a plant enthusiast, you're getting your share of these essential nutrients. Then, there are carbohydrates. Now, carbohydrates might not directly give us fatty acids, but our bodies are pretty smart. They can convert carbohydrates into fatty acids when needed. So, all these raw materials, plants, animals, and carbohydrates, are the stepping stones leading to the production of fatty acids. As we can see, different sources lead to the production of different types of fatty acids. But did you know, not all fatty acids are created equal? Indeed, they can be classified as saturated, unsaturated, or polyunsaturated. Let's break this down. Saturated fatty acids, first up, are those with only single bonds between the carbon atoms. You'll find these kinds of fatty acids in animal fats and some plant oils. Here's the kicker. Saturated fatty acids can raise cholesterol levels in the blood. Now, unsaturated fatty acids are a bit different. They have one or more double bonds between the carbon atoms. These are found in plant oils and some fish. And unlike their saturated counterparts, unsaturated fatty acids can lower cholesterol levels in the blood. Lastly, we have the polyunsaturated fatty acids. These contain multiple double bonds between the carbon atoms. You'll find these in fish oil and some plant oils. They not only lower cholesterol levels in the blood, but can also reduce the risk of heart disease. Therefore, the type of fatty acids we consume can significantly impact our health. So why are these fatty acids so important for us? Well, fatty acids have a multitude of crucial roles in our bodies. For starters, they are fundamental in energy storage. When our bodies need a quick energy boost, they can break down the fatty acids stored in our fat cells and use them for fuel. Moreover, fatty acids are the building blocks of our cell membranes, the outer layer that protects each of our trillions of cells. They also play a pivotal role in producing hormones, chemical messengers that regulate various functions in our bodies, from mood to metabolism. But that's not all. Fatty acids act as insulation, helping our bodies maintain a steady temperature, and they also lubricate our joints, allowing us to move smoothly and pain-free. In essence, fatty acids are an essential part of a healthy diet, providing our bodies with the energy and support they need to function optimally. In conclusion, fatty acids are not just important, they are indispensable for our health and well-being.